Imagine you're a manager of a retail company trying to predict next month's sales. Or perhaps you're launching a new product and need to understand customer preferences before investing millions in production. How do successful businesses make these decisions with confidence? Do they rely on guesswork or do they let data guide their strategy? In today's business world, data is one of the most valuable assets an organization possesses. Every customer purchase, marketing campaign, financial transaction, and business operation generates information. However, raw data alone has little value unless we can analyze it, identify meaningful patterns, and convert it into actionable business insights. This is where business statistics become an essential management tool. Business statistics is the application of statistical methods and techniques to collect, organize, analyze, interpret, and present the data for better decision making. Rather than relying on assumptions or intuition, managers use statistical analysis to measure performance, forecast future trends, evaluate risk, solve business problems, and even make informed strategic decisions. Whether you're working in marketing, finance, human resources, operations, or even business analytics, statistical thinking helps you answer critical questions with confidence. It enables organizations to understand customer behavior, improve operational efficiency, access market opportunities, monitor business performance, and reduce uncertainty in decision making. In this module, we'll explore the fundamental concepts of business statistics, including data collection, descriptive statistics, probability, sampling, data visualization, measure of central tendency, dispersion, correlation, and forecasting techniques. By the end of this session, you'll understand how managers transform data into meaningful insights that support smarter, faster, and more effective business decisions. That's it. If these are the type of videos you like to watch, then hit that subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified whenever we host. And just so that you know, if you're interested in pursuing an MBA from a globally recognized university without putting your career on hold, then the online MBA by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth offers 10 industry-focused specializations including AI, business analytics, ESG, operations, and more. Learn through live weekend classes or recorded session at your convenience, all at a fraction of a cost of the traditional MBA. This course comes with a wide range of benefits like placement assistance, opportunities for international exposure, and even specializations developed with industry leaders like Grant Thornton, and a lot more. This program is designed for professionals who want to accelerate their careers, and if you want to know if this MBA is the right fit for you, click the link in the description and comments to explore the program and its career benefits. With that, let's have a small quiz to test your business statistics acumen. Which of the following is an example of quantitative data? Is it customer feedback, employee opinions, monthly sales revenue, or product color? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. Now let's get started. Imagine you're the regional sales manager of a retail company. Every morning your dashboard displays thousands of numbers. Sales from different cities, customer ratings, website traffic, marketing campaign performance, inventory levels, employee productivity, profit margins. At first glance, it looks like you have plenty of information. But here's the real challenge. Which city deserves more investment? Which product should be discontinued? Which marketing campaign generated the highest return? Are sales actually growing, or is this just a seasonal trend? Simply having data doesn't answer these questions. You need to analyze it. And that's exactly why MBA students study business statistics. Business statistics isn't about solving difficult mathematical problems. It's about converting raw data into meaningful business decisions. Because in today's world, every successful organization is driven by data. Every organization generates enormous amounts of information. Customer make purchases, employee complete projects, machine produce goods, websites record visitor activity, bank process millions of transactions. Hospitals manage patient records, retailers monitor inventory. The challenge isn't collecting data anymore. The challenge is understanding it. Managers constantly ask questions like, are sales improving? Which customer segment is the most profitable? What factors are reducing productivity? Which products should receive more investment? Business statistics provide the tools needed to answer these questions with confidence. Instead of relying on assumptions, managers rely on evidence. And that's what separates good decisions from informed decisions. Business statistics is the application of statistical method to collect, organize, analyze, interpret, and present business data for better decision making. Notice something important? The objective isn't mathematics. The objective is decision making. Statistics transform thousands of numbers into clear business insights. Instead of looking at endless spreadsheets, managers identify trends, compare performance, predict outcomes, and evaluate business strategies. In simple terms, business statistics helps managers understand what the data is trying to tell them. Let's think about a company like an online retailer. Every click on the website creates data. Every purchase creates data. Every product return creates data. Every customer review creates the data. Every delivery generates operational data. Individually, these numbers don't mean much. But when analyzed together, they reveal valuable patterns. Perhaps customer abandoned their shopping carts before making payment. Maybe sales increase every weekend. Maybe one product consistently receives poor reviews. Statistics help businesses discover these hidden insights. And once managers understand these patterns, they can take informed action. Business statistics follows a simple journey. First, businesses collect data. This could come from surveys, customer transactions, financial reports, websites, or even operational systems. Next, the data is organized into meaningful formats, such as tables, charts, and dashboards. Then come analysis. Managers look for trends, campaigns, relationships, and unusual patterns. Finally, the insights are used to make business decisions. This process transforms the information into action. Without analysis, data remains just numbers. With statistics, data becomes knowledge. Some statistical tools every manager should know. As an MBA student, you don't need to become statistician, but you should understand the purpose of some commonly used statistical tools. One of the most popular and familiar concepts is average, which helps managers understand a typical performance of sales, costs, or even customer spending. Measures of variation help managers understand how consistent or unpredictable business performance is. Probability helps estimate the likelihood of future events, allowing businesses to prepare for risks and opportunities. Correlation helps identify whether two variables move together, for example, whether higher advertising spending is associated with higher sales. Forecasting techniques uses historical data to estimate future demand, revenue, or market trends. These tools don't make decisions for managers. They provide evidence that supports better decisions. Let's look at how different managers use statistics in their daily work. A marketing manager analyzes customer behavior to determine which campaigns deliver the best results. A financial manager studies financial trends to estimate future revenue and manage risks. An HR manager examines employee performance, engagement, and turnover rates to improve workforce planning. An operational manager monitors production quality, delivery times, and inventory levels to improve efficiency. A supply chain manager predicts future demand to ensure products are available without creating unnecessary inventory. Even entrepreneurs use statistics to understand customer preferences, evaluate competitors, and identify growth opportunities. Regardless of your role, statistical thinking becomes a part of everyday management. Today's organizations generate more data than ever before. Artificial intelligence, business intelligence platforms, and data analytics tools can process millions of records within seconds. But technology alone cannot make business decisions. Managers must still ask the right question. They must interpret the results correctly. They must understand whether the conclusions are meaningful and whether the data supports the business objective. Business statistics provides this analytical mindset. It teaches managers how to think critically about data instead of simply accepting numbers at face value. In an era where data is often called as new oil, statistical literacy has become essential managerial. Whether you're specialized in marketing, finance, human resources, operation, business, analytics, or even entrepreneurship, data will always be a part of your work. Marketing decisions are based on customer insights. Financial decisions depend on performance metrics. Operational improvements require process measurements. Strategic planning relies on forecasts and market trends. Even leadership decisions increasingly depend on data rather than intuition. Understanding business statistics allows managers to communicate confidently with analysts, interpret business reports, and make evidence based decisions. It helps bridge the gap between raw information and business strategy. Business statistics is much more than formulas and calculation. It is a science of making smarter business decisions through data. It enables managers to identify trends, measure performance, evaluate risk, predict future outcomes, and support strategic planning with evidence rather than assumption. As an MBA student, you will soon realize that every organization, whether it's a startup, a multinational corporation, a bank, a hospital, or an e commerce company, depends on data to stay competitive. The managers who understand and interpret that data are the ones who make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and create lasting business value. Because in today's business world, data is everywhere, but only those who know how to interpret it can turn it into a competitive advantage. And with that, we have reached the end of this session on business statistics skills. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more business administration breakdowns. And if you want a deeper dive into topics like business statistics, marketing management, organizational behavior, and more, let me know in the comment section below. This is a Simply Learns video. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.